Hey guys, Akichu here, and today our blender broke, so we decided to buy a new one. And well, here's a video of me trying to unbox this thing. So if you like more videos like this, click like and subscribe. Ooh! Well, it says here that it's fragile. I guess it's time to go start cutting it up. So it's quite hard. Oops! Well, I don't really know. It's bubble wrap. It's quite hard to tear apart. But so I use the scissors. That's quite useless because it can't really cut, or I can't really cut with it. So I just try and rip it apart. This is so hard. Like, cut to the part where I figured it out. Finally, this took me so long. Like, shoot, man. I don't really know how to unbox things, but still, took me like how many? Like, took me a half an hour, but didn't look like that to you guys. Well, it's time for almost the unboxing of it. That's just the first part of it. Doing a little snippy here. There's tape. I hate tape. Well, a bit over there. Another tape. Come on! Like, how desperate are the sellers for us to not get the product? Like, you're trying to sell it, man, and then the box looks like that. It's all folded everywhere and it's taped all over. It takes you like half an hour or like almost an hour just to get the actual product. And I haven't even been able to test it yet. This is so frustrating. Like, there's so much tape, man. I can't even get the product. And later we'll be making mango smoothie, so stay in the video for that. Or, just skip to it if you want to skip all these unboxing parts. Because I swear, man, it took us like how many hours, and I tried to cut it to the part where there's none. So, yeah. Well, finally, it's just, come on. I want to taste my smoothie, man. Just removing the final bits of wrapper here and there, and then finally I can start the unboxing. As in, wow, that like took us an hour. Well, that's an hour wasted. I'm never gonna get it back. First peek. Oh, mystery. What are these parts? So we have the cover of the mixer, I think, or the jug, and another cover thing, I think. We have this the mixer or the blending thing, the machine, or the thing that blends, or the thing that serves the purpose of blending, that thing. We'll just trying to unwrap it here a little so you can see it clear. Well, there you go. And of course, the container of where the mixture will be placed. There's two. So, I guess that's a plus. Again, bubble wrap, my worst enemy, but fun to play with. Like, there you go. That's where you mix the thing. You place it on top and then you mix it. And this is another case. So, another mixer thing. Or just a regular jug. There's one more thing in the box. It's this thing. Yeah, that. And another montage.
sign. I eat and smoke, I've no job, no friends. I never even have a girl.
So placing in a bunch of mangoes because we're gonna make mango Yakult shake thing. And plop. And another. Yeah. Plop. We're gonna add some Yakult right there. Seeing Mochi behind the scenes. Yep, just drenching it with Yakult and then stabbing another one violently because why not? So I'm getting another Yakult. Oops. Yeah, there. And then of course we need to shake it because reasons. And then we're gonna add another one. So covering it up and we're ready to go blend it. As you can see, that's the concoction we made, and that's the lid, or the thing. We try to blend it now, but we find out that it doesn't really work. So we tried to find the right location, and then oops, there you go. Now it's blending. A little bit of issue we found is, as you can see, it leaked, and we don't really want that besides our outlets. But nonetheless, it works. Oddly enough, quite well. It can blend up your ice as well. And as Gordon Ramsay said, you need to taste it first before you serve it to people. So yeah, and I think that tastes good. So we place ice again. As I said, it could actually blend ice and then but we need to stop so it won't really burn the machine. So yeah, it actually blends really well, honestly speaking, and even much more than I anticipated. And I kind of like it, aside from the leaking problems. And that's Shake and Take 3 for you guys. Hope you like this, and I hope it will make you subscribe and watch more content. See you!